Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change Instagram username. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is go to your Instagram app and then log in into your account. Once you do that, go to all the way to your bottom right corner to your profile icon, and over here you'll be having this edit profile option. Just go over here, and now as you want to change your username, go to username, and now just choose another username. So let me just choose like anything random like this, and if so it's not available, so let me go with this one like this. So just have something that is available. So this is available. Now you can see there is a tick mark on the top right corner. By pressing on the tick mark, you'll be able to change your username. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.